Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 1 minus 18 is equal to minus 17. And again 1 minus 18 is equal to minus 17. Now minus 17 multiply minus 17, okay? So is equal to 289. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, okay? PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then addition and subtraction also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So here is the first priority is this parenthesis. So is equal to 1 minus 18 multiply. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 18 is equal to minus 17. Okay. So now minus 18 multiply minus 17, okay, is equal to plus 306. So 1 plus 306 is equal to 307. So the correct answer is 307. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.